I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Insightly. Give here an API key and API URL. Below the API URL, there is an example of the API URL. Follow the instructions, go to the Insightly dashboard. Copy your site's API URL and paste it on the integration site. To obtain the API key, please navigate to the Insightly dashboard. Click on the profile, then navigate to the user settings. Scroll down, copy the API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. So go to the Insightly dashboard and navigate to the contacts. You can see that the data has been successfully received in Insightly. Thanks for watching.